what made the AirQo Air Quality Forecast Challenge different from all the other competitions that you've had in the past?
I think, what's nice is that as Zindi, we're able to touch on a lot of different types of problems where AI can really help make strides in these different areas. So as far as the AirQo competition, it probably was our first competition dealing with air quality in this way. But what's nice is that we have done other competitions that used remote sensing. We've had other competitions. We did another competition recently that addressed measuring air quality using satellite imagery, so air quality from a different angle. So I think that what's nice is that we've been able to tackle these different types of problems from different angles, and AirQo was an opportunity to tackle the problem using very unique data that was being collected in Uganda. And so it was a great opportunity for us as we started the conversation with Francis and with Paul. We realized that this data set was really exciting, something different that we hadn't done before. And especially, I think this is our first competition in Uganda.
It was like a practical problem, Most of the times as a data scientist, you work with the data that is maybe you don't understand fully. So for AirQo, it's like, you are trying to measure the quality of air. That's something so simple as in everyone can understand it, and you have the data. So if you get a solution, you are going to improve the lives of others.
I was actually quite excited to go and try out my machine learning skills in this competition. And also I saw that this has an implementation phase where you actually get to implement what you have made. I was definitely excited to go and take this forward.
The results are really promising. We are at a stage where we can't fully quantify the improvements that have been achieved from their model compared to what we currently have, but this will be evaluated over time.
So AirQo's been collecting a huge amount of data from sites around Uganda for the last year or two. So we've now got a huge amount of data, and it's really important that we're able to make best use of that data to help increase the quality of the air in Uganda and in Kampala in particular, but also that people can make use of it to change their lives and improve their health.
This is the first time where we've tried a split of the prize, where the prize was both cash prizes up front, but also a contract for work after. And so this was the first time that we've done it, and it was something of a pilot or kind of an experiment into a new way of ensuring that the companies that run the challenges get the support that they need to take their solutions forward. And it's also, I think, a pilot or an experiment in making sure that the data scientists that win the competitions have the opportunity to properly engage with the problems that they've been working on for the last couple months.
So we focused a lot on cross-validation, making sure that the model can predict well on unseen data. And then that paid off, because when you're trying to create a model, you give it everything and then you're not improving the score on the leaderboard. That is frustrating. But when the private leaderboard came out and we were number 2, that felt good.
The work we have done builds on and provides an alternative to the existing prediction model that we've been using on our websites and mobile applications. The results are really promising.
And the reasons why we're interested in this was to try and increase the number of people with the skills to look at these problems, but also to improve our understanding of where air pollution hotspots are. And it was a great success. So now what we have is a better prediction of where hotspots of air quality problems are in Kampala and Uganda, and we hope we can extend that further over Africa in the future.
There's definitely lots of potential for using the Zindi model and onboarding data scientists to help solve this problem in this way, and keeps us original, keeps us up to date, keeps us at the cutting edge of developing these technologies, not just in Uganda, not just in Africa, but worldwide. So I think this is the beginning of a strong relationship, both with our competition winners, with Zindi, and of course with Birmingham University. So I hope there's going to be a lot of potential for future work.